Hi, first graders. Today we are reading Jane Brockett's Clever Concepts Rainy, Sunny, Blowy, Snowy. What are seasons? Jane Brockett's Clever Concepts Rainy, Sunny, Blowy, Snowy. What are seasons? We are going to talk about seasons. A season is a time of year. We can divide each year into 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. How do we know which season it is? There are many signs. We can look at the weather, the light, and nature. Let's find out more. In spring, the days grow longer and lighter. Leaves and blossoms appear on trees. Plants begin to grow and push their way through the soil. Baby animals are born. Spring feels fresh and cool and breezy. There are pale blue skies and fluffy white clouds, showers, and sunshine. Spring colors are clean and fresh. Spring is a time to run around and play outside, plant seeds, pick daffodils and tulips, and jump in puddles. Splish, splash, splosh. In summer, the days are long and sunny. The sky is deep blue. Leaves are emerald green. Gardens are full of bright flowers. The sun shines. The air is still, and we can hear insects buzzing. Summer feels hot and sunny, warm, and shimmery. It's time for sunglasses and bare feet. But sometimes dark clouds appear, thunder rumbles, and we run for shelter. In summer, we can play outside all day long, go swimming, and pick strawberries. We can eat ice cream to keep cool and just take it easy. In fall, the days grow shorter. The leaves change color from green to gold, yellow, rust, and orange. Spiders spin webs and berries ripen on trees and bushes. Fiery sunsets match the colors of the leaves. Fall feels crunchy, crispy, blustery, and blowy. Gusts of wind blow leaves off trees and hats off heads. We need to wear sweaters and socks to keep warm. It's time to carve pumpkins, gather leaves, pick crisp apples and juicy plums, harvest crops, and plant bulbs for next spring. In winter, the days are short and the nights are long. Skies are gray and dull or pale and watery. The trees are bare and spindly. Winter feels cold and frosty. The air is nippy and the wind is biting. It may be snowy and icy or dry and clear. Trees and plants stop growing in winter. It's time to wrap up in thick coats and watch the sunrise in a silvery sky. Or stay indoors and keep warm and cozy under blankets with a mug of hot cocoa. Can you describe the seasons where you live? Which season do you like best? Or do you like them all?